So we just reviewed proof of work and some of the main limitations to that consensus mechanism. So now I'd like to discuss proof of stake, another consensus mechanism that helps secure information onto these networks. The first thing to understand about proof of stake is that there's no miners involved. Instead of mining, you're going to have a network of stakers where coins are staked. And these individuals are responsible for validating all the transactions that occur in the network. And what's important about these stakers is that if anyone is a bad actor, they're going to lose their investment. And in fact, if you have someone on the network that is an adversary, everyone is going to lose the value of their coins because the market value of them will decline significantly. So let me discuss some pros and cons to proof of stake. Now, in proof of stake, the benefit is obviously it's very cost efficient and it's very energy efficient. There's no mining. There's no need to purchase a high-powered algorithm or computer to run those transactions. But the cons are important as well. In proof of stake, you have a problem with distribution, because if someone owns a majority of the coins, their value that's staked will start gaining more compound interest than people with a smaller stake. And that quickly can turn into a monopoly. So one of the questions these proof of stake protocols have is how you evenly distribute the coins so that nobody winds up with a monopoly. The other con is that you don't have access to the coins when you stake them. So you have to enter an agreement that I'm going to commit my digital tokens for X amount of time, and I'll receive this payment in return. However, when you have them staked, if the market value of your coin drops off, you have no way to sell it. So that's a negative in proof of stake. Now, some of the protocols that use proof of stake, and there aren't as many as there are in proof of work, are OKCoin, you've got Dash. And Dash is a very interesting one, because to be a staker in Dash, you have to run a supernode, and that requires buying 1,000 coins and staking them. Dash's current market value goes between $500 and $1,000, so to be a staker, you have to have a pretty significant capital commitment in the Dash network. Another one is Neo, and lastly, you've got Redcoin, which is a social media-focused proof of stake.